Hello everyone, my name is Otavio Santana. Today let's talk about functions, interface in Java. You probably know what is that, right? So is an interface a single method, for example, runnable, where I would to create my own hello world. You know how to create one, right? That's basically an interface with a single method. So hello function, where I'm able to do value something. So give a string value. If I want, I have the option to put the function interface annotation, and with my hello function, I'm able to create my own implementation. So function as to uppercase or use method reference. And today we're gonna cover a little bit for new interface that belongs to Java since Java 8, function, supplier, predicate, consumer, how to apply this, and how to use with composite partner as well. Okay, let's start with my first interface that I will cover today, the function one. So you probably know, right? So function is an interface where I receive a value as parameter, and then I will return to a different way. So this case here, I want to a function, I will convert a string, and give a string, I will convert it to a string here. If you want, you're able to use the method reference, where you're able to link this method this way. So you can do the method reference. Let's remove this line here. So I have a string that is a text, and then I will convert string with this text here. I have my value, and then I will output again. So output the integer value is, and yes, the value. Let's run. Hopefully it will work. And yes, you probably know that, but let's go to different details. For example, imagine right now that I need to care text before convert. I will try to run. Of course, it will return a number, format, and exception. I have the option to create a new function. So this one here will be a unary operator. Unary operator is basically a function where the input and the output will be the same type. So both will be a string. I will use string here. So basically, I will create a smart converter where it will do the string and then do the converter. So I will create a new one here, smart converter, and I will run again. And as you can see, I'm able to combine the function with the method, and then we also have the compose method, and the main difference between one and another one is the order. So one, when you combine, you be after, another one you be before. Okay, right now we are able to go to predicate. Let me close here, close the other tabs, and then I will create my app predicate. You probably know this one as well. Basically, I will receive a value, and then I will check if this one is valid or not. I will test this input. It might return a boolean, so true or false. My question, and then the validation. So let me show the interface here, the test. So the question is keyed here if s start with O. Okay. Let's have the text here again. Text Otavio. Yeah, that's my name. And let's do the question. True. Question. Test. And let's see. Otavio. Let's run. And yes, is it predicate true? Yes, it's true. If I put Poliana, it will be returned false. Also, we'll talk about predicate that might return true or false. You have composite methods as well. Where would you combine those? We have the and, or just negate. So in this case here, I will negate nor start with O, and then when I do the question again, it will return true. Okay, and yes, I would do more questions. For example, give my predicate the size, and I want to check if my string is the size bigger than 3. Okay, bigger than 3. And what can I do here? Okay, size and the question, and or whatever I want. And yes, I able to just test the condition or create my variable, so it's valid name, and let's check if my name is valid. Okay, Otavio here. Let's run again. For sure, it's a generic, so you're able to put not just a string, but your own conditions. For example, imagine that I have a person that has a name, let's create this constructor here. Yes. Let's create a getter, and if you want to, you can create a predicate to person and then combine. So give the person p get name, and start with O, and then instead of use text person, we will create a person Otavio here. So new person Otavio, and then follow the same logic here. So person, and then p Otavio, p get name, and then the length, and then return here. And as you can see, I would use any, oops, it's not text anymore, it's a person Otavio. And let's run. And yes, I'm able to check if the person has a valid name. I combine predicate, as you can see, I'm able to use negate, I will use the and or the or operator. If I want to, if you're using Java 11, you're able to negate. So I would do this kind of negate here, use the not, and then do the test. please feel free to use and explore the predicate the predicate interface even more and more. Okay, once I right now I have the person class. Let's explore here with the supplier class. So I will create my app supplier. Public static void main. I will have this supplier here, a person supplier. Imagine right now I'm using any kind of caching database. So in this case here, I will create a new instance. So person Otavio. And as you can see, we're not able to combine, but still valid to use. For example, imagine I'm using any kind of repository interface and any kind of cache, and I can explore the optional. I already talked about optional here, the channel, please take a look. So imagine right now I have my optional person that is empty, and what can I do? Person or else get, and the information will come from the database. So let's execute. The value result is yes, person 1. Every time that I do that, remember to override the toString method. So let's do it while it's running here. toString, let's put a toString here and then run again. And as you can see, I returns from some database, some repository, my information out there. I'm able to use any kind of supplier, in this case, a database. The last one that I will cover today is a consumer. So I will create the app consumer. Such void main consumer. I will use the same person consumer. You are able to combine this one. So if you consume any kind of information, imagine right now that I'm using the log. So give a person, I will log 1 and then put per p here, and let's create a second log 2, and if you want to, yes, you're able to combine. So log 1 and then log 2, and based on that I will create a consumer. I need to create a person here, so this time I will use Bruno. I know we should not talk about Bruno. Person Bruno. Oops. And then I will accept Bruno here. And then when I execute, as you can see, I'm returning the log 1, the log 2. We're able to use that as well. Hopefully you enjoy. The main point here is yes, you are able to explore this interface, function, supplier, predicate, consumer beyond use in the Stream API. Thank you. Bye bye.